In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import GA4 conversions to Google Ads. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing and why. Importing conversions from Google Analytics 4 into Google Ads lets you measure what really matters, like purchases, signups, or key actions, right alongside your campaigns. This helps your bidding and optimization learn from high-quality signals, not just clicks. Make sure you have the right permissions in both platforms and that the events you care about in GA4 are marked as conversions so they're eligible to import. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Sign in as you normally do and head to the main dashboard so you're looking at the account where you want your conversions to appear. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're in the correct one to avoid confusion later. Next, click the Tools icon at the top of the page. Depending on the interface, this may be called Tools and Settings. This opens a set of sections for setup, measurement, and configuration. We're going to the place designed to help you connect and manage data sources across your account. From here, click Data Manager. Think of Data Manager as the hub for bringing in trusted data that powers reporting and bidding. It centralizes connections like Google Analytics so you can configure them cleanly in one spot. Inside Data Manager, click Google Analytics. This is where you'll connect your GA4 property to Google Ads and prepare the conversion import. You should see a list of available properties or a prompt to select one. Choose the GA4 property that tracks the website or app you advertise with this Google Ads account. Now, select your Google Analytics property and configure the settings. Review the options carefully. Confirm you're linking the correct property, then choose which GA4 conversions you want to import into Google Ads. Pick only the events that represent meaningful success for your business, like completed checkouts or qualified leads, to keep your reporting clean. Check any additional preferences offered during setup, such as attribution or look-back configuration, and make sure they align with how you evaluate campaign performance. When everything looks right, submit. After you submit, Google Ads will start receiving those conversions. It can take some time for data to populate, and you'll typically see new conversions appear going forward. Keep an eye on your campaign performance as those imported conversions begin informing bidding and optimization. If something looks off, revisit the same path in Data Manager to adjust which conversions you import or to confirm you selected the correct GA4 property.